Welcome to our deep dive into the Ferrari F80, the brand's groundbreaking new hypercar. Today, we're covering 9 key things you need to know about this $3.9 million beast that's ready to take the hypercar world by storm. First up, the heart of the F80. Unlike Ferrari's previous hypercars that relied on a V12 engine, the F80 takes a different approach with a twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine that produces an astonishing 1,184 horsepower. Purists may miss the iV12, but this engine is closely related to the one that powered Ferrari's Le Mans winning 499P racer. Next, let's talk speed. The F80 can hit 0 to 62 miles per hour in just over 2 seconds, and its top speed exceeds 217 miles per hour. This makes it not only incredibly powerful, but also blisteringly fast. The F80 uses 3 electric motors, 2 in the front, 1 in the rear. And while there's no electric-only mode, these motors provide insane hybrid power. With that boost, this is Ferrari's first all-wheel drive hypercar. Ferrari's boost optimization system learns from your driving and gives you extra power exactly when you need it, turning every lap into a thrilling experience. One unique feature? The carbon fiber chassis. Unlike some competitors that use it across their range, Ferrari saves it for their flagship models like the F80, while still using aluminum in key areas for added safety. The F80's design takes cues from legendary models like the F40, but it introduces a whole new look with its black visor nose, a nod to Ferrari's future design language. And don't forget the massive downforce, 1,000 kilograms of pressure at just 155 miles per hour. Inside, the F80 feels like a single-seater. Ferrari has shifted the passenger seat further back, so the focus is all on the driver. It's a true +1 configuration. This hypercar also brings back physical steering wheel buttons. No more struggling with touch-sensitive controls. Ferrari is all about putting you back in control. And finally, Ferrari plans to build 799 units of the F80. That's more than past hypercars, but trust us, demand is going to be off the charts. So, what do you think of the Ferrari F80? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.